Hey guys, we have a few kinds of millipedes here to show you guys. This one is a North American giant millipede. They're the biggest millipede we have here in Iowa, and they're pretty cool. All the millipedes we have here are detritivores, so they eat decaying leaf matter and other dead stuff, and just vegetation. So we'll put this guy away, and then we'll get the next one out. Do you want? I don't know if you want it.
Yeah.
This one is just a little common millipede. They're real small. You'll find these under rocks and logs and stuff, but they'll curl up. They're real tiny. I'm not quite sure what this kind is, so if you guys know, you could put it down in the comments. It's really fast.